Right, I'm ready.
So we're going to introduce ourselves, Donna.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll let you go first because you're the house.
I am.
Your house? It's
I'm
your
a house?
No, you're not a house. I'm a house.
We're at home in my kitchen. My name's Donna. I'm from Love Do, which covers lifestyle, travel, curly girl method, and yeah, over to you.
And I'm Kelly, and I'm from Love Life Lavish, and I also do like lifestyle, makeup, and fashion, and I basically into finding products that work. There's loads of stuff on the market, and things are like £5, £10, special offers. Do they really, really work? And that's what my aim is
to find out.
We're going to find out. So I was very kindly gifted by My Perfect cosmetic company, the new My Perfect facial. And these, I've had loads of reviews and watched loads of YouTube videos on this wonderful product. And I even know people that have actually got it. A couple of friends of mine, Sheila, hello, because you told me it's fabulous. So we're going to give that a go, both of us today, and see if there's any results and to show you. Obviously the best course is to have a course of 10, like anything, but you are meant to see results after you first won. So
we are going to look 10 years younger.
Yeah, that is the aim. That is the aim. I mean, Donna is 52, just to let you know.
That means it'll work then, hopefully.
Yeah. So what we're aiming is, so once a month we're aiming to do this sort of thing on little products. So if you've ever got anything that you're interested in, just email either one of us or text one of us or message one of us and let us know what you want to do. So we're going to start off. And I was gifted once again yesterday very kindly by Bootsy's when I went to their brand new beauty hall, which is beautiful, at Lakeside. And I reviewed the Fenty makeup, but we got a lovely gift sets. And yeah, so I'm going to try the Miracle Water from it. And it's a 3-in-1, so it's a cleanser, it's also a toner. I'm really sorry now, I'm blind as a bat, so the glasses have to go on.
I've got to get my hair out of the way.
And it's skin brightening radiant booster. So yeah, let's see if it works. If our skin is going to look amazing.
I have to get my hair out of the way, am I?
Yeah, sorry.
Like that lady, she's got one on there. I haven't got a pretty white one though, I've just got this black band.
I haven't got one at all, so I'm unprofessional, right? But I'm not a beauty consultant or anything.
Oh, pinch your ear back. Look, great.
You look younger already,
Do
don't
I?
Yeah.
Worked. Thank you very much.
So we're just taking off. I check all the time, so I always have foundation on.
See, I've got, it's around here, my trouble area, bags under my eyes.
I've never noticed that before.
Yeah, I know. And my forehead's not too bad, is it?
No, your forehead's really
You can't
good.
see it anyway.
I'll be honest, I have Botox in my forehead, but I haven't had it done since October, so have I got any movement? No.
I haven't had any Botox.
I don't want, no.
That probably why my face looks like that.
But after this, you won't look like that.
I'm going to look amazing after this,
It does look amazing. Right, so let's see. We did watch a YouTube video of how to do
make sure
this.
we're doing it properly.
Because as I say,
and I have just poured out a glass of Prosecco.
Donna's going to do a cocktail making thing afterwards.
Well, which is a bit of rubbish though, because I wasn't very prepared, so it's just going to be my normal go-to cocktail. So I'll be a bit more creative next time, maybe do a cosmopolitan or something like that.
Oh, that'd be nice. Espresso martini, because if anyone knows,
do you know I did nearly do an espresso martini.
I can't do it. Oh my god, it still keeps going.
Because we've got the coffee machines, we could do that.
Right.
So what's in the box? Okay, so we have...
Yeah, go.
Is that a fan brush?
Yeah, so that's going to be putting the mask on.
Your application. And what do we have to mix up?
Right, so...
What are they all called? We've got collagen soap.
So that would be the last product we put on
okay.
afterwards. And then we've got the elevating powder. So that goes in. So you'll get... Where's the scooper? I did see a scooper a second ago. Oh, you'll get a scooper and you have to do like... There's all different scoops though. That don't make sense.
Is that if you've got a bigger face or a smaller face?
I don't know. So that's,
I'm a bit, we might have to read the instructions.
yeah, I'm really sorry.
Then we've also got,
sorry.
did that come with it as well?
No, well, I got that as well, so I'm going to use that afterwards. So it's the moisture. But I've been using this. I've got a night cream and a day cream, which I've been using, and it's actually really nice. And I love, but I'll show it afterwards.
Powder and activator gel.
Yep.
Right, okay.
So we need we've got a little bowl. So I'm going to do it on Donna first of all.
I'm going to read the instructions.
If anything goes wrong, it's going to happen to Donna.
Oh, they're a bit dirty. I can't even get them under the ear rolls.
This is so
Let's have a look. Right, take the large spoon and add 1 level spoonful of the activator gel.
Right, excited. Oh.
1 large.
Okay, do you want to see what it looks like, guys?
I don't know if you can really see. 1 level spoonful.
Yeah.
No, that's not the activator. Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the activator? No, that's the powder. What, this one?
Oh.
So 1 large spoonful of the activator gel, which is that one.
Okay.
And then 1 level spoon.
This is sealed, so it comes sealed.
I think it's in glasses. That's right, that's right. 1 large spoon.
Right, okay.
It's proper gel, isn't it?
It's proper gel. Level it out, so that's level, yeah? Put that in.
And then take the medium spoon. You could probably scoop that out with a brush after. Yeah. Take the medium spoon, add 1 level spoonful of the elevating powder, mixed together in a bowl to form a thin paste. So it's obviously going to do some sort of chemical reaction, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to see like a puff of powder smoke or... I can't wait for this.
Put this in.
I can't wait for this. This is going to be
We're going to mix it up. It's like cooking class.
So I don't know if you can see. Oh,
It don't smell too good. Smell. You smell it?
oh, yeah. Oh, it's activating, isn't it?
Yeah.
It smells warm. Is it warm as well?
I don't know. I've never used it, Donna.
That's not warm.
No. But I've never used this on my face. So we're now going to paint Donna's face.
Was it not meant to be thicker than that? No.
I don't know.
A bit of gel in the bottom of there. Scoop that out of there.
That'd make it feel,
That's better.
wouldn't it?
That's thickening up gel. Surely not. Put that on that bag. I've got to take my glasses off for this, haven't I? You can see that I've only got half an eyebrow now.
If I'm wearing my glasses, it'd be fine.
Oh, I've got stuff to my face.
Right, okay, so let's give it a go. So we're going to start with the neck.
She said, start the neck.
Yeah, we're going to brush up.
Top line as well.
Top line.
Oh, it does smell a
And this will help with any neckline. I mean, Donna's absolutely
fine. It does
fine.
smell like that.
Oh, I don't know.
It's quite a...
It's quite
It's
strong.
not horrible, it's just not what I expected.
So we're just going to brush that. Obviously, we're not going to put it over the eyes.
So then I'm going to do yours.
Yeah, but I'm going to wash it. Well, you're going to speak to him whilst it's sort of drying and I'll mix it up.